moment that remains after time and space refrain. Yeah, does the masses ever change? Ever now you're still the same. Motion shapes the motionless. You don't feel one another days. Still confused, can't you rest? Ever now you're still the best. Next to you when you perceive, but eyes and ears don't be deceived. Upside down the mind believes, but outside all the wise achieves. If you are lost amidst the storm, places, faces, shapes as form, ignorance of children born, the passion of the heart that's torn. These are things of Ulysses. Bodies, minds, mountains, trees. All creation endlessly. Yeah. Amidst the storm, you must be free.